Right, this is Noah Tennyson Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs, North. Polokwane City, North. Odi, what is your name? Where do you come from?
Mina nguSipho kaMhlanga. I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, the best Kaizer Chiefs fan.
Number one fan.
Number one fan, yeah.
How do you feel about the game today?
No, brother, I'm disappointed because they are Kaizer Chiefs. They are not doing well because we are not doing well. Like serious, like I was disappointed because Benfuni 3 points to Polokwane City. Polokwane City is a small team. Like they must figure that go home. They made a show umuntu must figure that go home.
Exactly. Yeah.
Because Kaizer Chiefs millions and make sure good my figure that go home ya Shaban. Okay, sine problem one na pa Kaizer Chiefs the way mina ngibone ngakhona ke. As I'm a striking force ku Kaizer Chiefs. Sisokola ngama striking force. Okay, Sharp is doing well. Kaizer Chiefs go midfield and semuva na intwana engane ngiyabona ukuthi okay Sharp you are doing well, but ke sikhala ngento one left back just na left back because I'm so sorry ku Lufis ngokushona kwakhe aba ne problem yakhe ukuthi okay Sharp left back
but
umashani ukhona but manje namhlanje bemamenzi attacking mabamfaka because it's a good left back right ulona uMashiane. Inkinga ethi one ke ku Kaizer Chiefs I-coach isishota ngecoach yamampela ku Kaizer Chiefs, that's a problem.
Yes iseduze yes angithi lena nibiza ngesilungu lithi interim.
Interim. But the problem with Kaizer Chiefs coaching force is a problem with Kaizer Chiefs coach asinayo. Good right whatever 1 2 3 then but ke ngicela into e1 ku Kaizer Chiefs ngicela nje ba release umuntu e1 khona le player balibiza abathu Gonzalez ngicela bamrelease. I think wonke amafan eKaizer Chiefs are not happy no Gonzalez like
wafika namthemba wafika
safika samthemba nathi akithi sibona amamasini phela amamasini ikora kuyabona khona into engifuna ukuyisho ke uKelvin Johnson khona inkinga yenzile because ukuthi abeke ulona uGonzalez ke ku bench bekumele abeke ulona uDupa. Siyamdinga lo mfana wena serious uDupa
samfuni yena nozwana akabafuni asazi kwenze nje.
That's a problem yakhe and mawuthi abheka ku Atazwane beka abasebenzisa bonke labafana laba abozwane nabo Happy Mashiane bonke labafana laba abancane aboshabalala ngiyangaba ne problem igame last week ngama problem e1 ucoach wethu ukhipha ushabalala ufaka uGonzalez. That's a problem. Imagine ushabalala what is that?
But that's understandable. Thank you very much for your points. Good points. Last point, what is your message to Itumeleng Khune and Javesim celebration?
Itumeleng Khune is our best goalkeeper. Samthanda Mpana is the best one in South Africa. Ngisashona manje. Akekho goalkeeper okafana no Itumeleng Khune. That is number one. And kuzohlezi kunjalo until umntana azazalwe. Kuzoba nomntana ozozala akekho omunye goalkeeper. Sorry William Nyaxolisa mntaka baba ngikhuluma ngani. Mari Mpana sorry. Itumeleng Khune is the best goalkeeper. Wavimba ku World Cup, wavimba bo Torres, wavimba bamazi bonke. Ngiyamvuma Itumeleng Khune ngiyathanda mfana ukuthi inhliziyo yami. Thank you bafethu ngithanda lonke namafana. Viva Itumeleng Khune, viva.